Good morning folks, hope everybody's okay. It's Wednesday morning and it's a lovely day. It's just lovely and sunny and bright sky. So today's job, I'm refurbishing a shower by installing shower wall panels over the tiles and with some nice trim, and so this is the job here. So new bar shower, putting shower wall panels within all the reveals and header and sill with a negative rake on here. So basically sprucing up the shower for a house sale. So we'll get back to you with regular updates. Cheers. So, one panel on. Okay folks, so I've got one panel, got the end panel on, and now cutting around the window reveal and sill. So I've got 4 panels, and if I mess one up, I have got 0 backup. So I've measured it out 1600 times, and it's cutting now, so wish me luck. So this cuts out, leaving an open end, so the joint is halfway across the window, creating a C shape. So as there's only 80mm left on one side, it's very vulnerable when I'm taking this up the stairs, so I've left the cut in place so it's structurally sound, and then I'll have to just nip it out with the multi-tool just to take the cut out. Anyway, nerves of steel to do this. Let's crack on. So that went okay. So now I've got to just frame out the reveals and sill and header with some cuts, and the edging will go on that piece of shower panel, butting up to these ends. So it should look okay. So now, I mean, a lot of the problem with this job is the unwieldability of the huge panels. I mean, it's a sort of a two-man job, but I mean, I can't, as I am the most intolerant man on the planet, I'm afraid I can't work with anybody. Everyone annoys me. Anyway, that's just me. So yeah, the problem is the unwieldiness of the panels, and but get in there. Okay, back to you soon. So just adding clear silicone here in the groove to improve the waterproof seal of the tongue groove. Okay folks, so that's job completed. This is the final reveal. Good morning everybody, and welcome to a new video. So today's video is another frame ledge and brace gate. I do quite a lot of these, and they're sort of bread and butter to me, and so it's a great little product. It's basically a ledged and braced gate with a frame around it, a 44mm frame, so it's chunky enough and stable enough to fit a mortise lock in. And it does well for garage side gates and rear yard gates, that type of thing. So only problem is that they come untreated, so they do need painting, but they should last a lifetime once they're painted. So anyway, that's the casing out. Just looking at this casing here now, I think I might leave that in because it's sort of a lintel. It's going across the thing, and it's in reasonable condition. So I might leave that in and put my two legs up to that. So let's see how it evolves. Ash, it's Pete. I've just got the wrong FLB. Have you got a 762 in stock? Cheers. Marvellous. Yeah, come on, swap that then, yeah. Yeah. I'm taking the 838, yeah. Hello folks, so yes, that's job done. One more frameless and brace gate installed. Must be my 200th or 300th, I don't know. But anyway, here's the job. So yeah, job done, and weekend ahead of me, so a few jobs tomorrow. Got to go to the hospital to put a camera up my nose, and I've had that before. It's not very pleasant, but anyway, at least to get a cake and a coffee out of it. Okie doke. Yes, well, see you next Monday. Have a great weekend.